While the sound does not bother Jessie, the motion of the clothes does a little.
Good girl. Oh, good girl.
The scent of the warm clothes may be distracting at first. Give the dog a chance to sniff before giving the hand signal. So far, you've only used a hand point or the presence of the objects and a dryer as a cue. If you want to add a different cue, this is when you train it.
Put it away. Yes.
Add the verbal cue just as your dog is in the process of doing the behavior.
Put it away. Yes. Put it away. Yes.
Changing position to add the new verbal cue.
Put it away. Yes.
She appears to be responding to the cue.
Put it away. Put it away. Put it away.
Why does she pause to look at me?
Good girl. Put it away.
I think because I reduced the reward ratio too quickly.
Put it away.
I add the verbal cue when she starts doing the behavior. She fixates on the items in the basket, so we go back a step before trying again with the cue.
Just wait.
We go back to adding one object at a time, this time in succession. This keeps her focus on the items in the dryer.
Put it away.
Then I add the cue back in.
Put it away. Yes. Put it away. Yes.
You can see their different personalities come out.
You're funny.